Please start. Start.
Start.
Wow, nice. Actually, are you serious? Funny. Hi, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Hi.
Where
Nice
are you
to
from?
meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kazakhstan.
Yeah,
Kazakhstan.
Afghanistan,
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan. Okay,
Kazakhstan.
okay. Just I'm from Bangladesh.
Yes.
Do you know Bangladesh? Our beautiful country, Bangladesh. Do you know?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes. I will see you.
Oh, can you speak English? Can you speak English fluent or little bit?
Yes. Speaking.
Little.
I am speaking English. Speak English. No little.
Oh,
It's good.
Thank you so much. Actually, I have come here in this platform to practice English, to learn English with foreigners. Especially, I am the host in this platform, and I am private teacher. I teach English, not only English, but also mathematics. Private teacher, and this is the main aim to come here to practice English with foreigners. Okay, please. Could you please introduce yourself within short sentence
Okay.
about yourself within little sentence, please. Give your introduction.
Okay.
Okay, please start. Start.
Start.
Wow, nice. Actually, are you serious? Funny? Are you so much funny girl? I think so for that. Actually, what is your name? What is your name?
My name is Mako.
Macau. Are you a student or do you study?
Mako.
Okay, student, do you study? Reading, writing?
Yes. No student. I worked.
Oh,
Work higher masters. Work.
are you housewife?
House.
Okay. Basically, how do you spend your free time? Most of the free time, how do you patch your every single day? How do you patch? Free time or off time? Leisure time, how do you patch?
Hi.
Gossiping your friends.
PM.
Gossiping your friends.
It's o'clock. It's
Yeah,
o'clock.
yeah. Just
6 o'clock.
here in our country, Bangladesh, 7:35. 7:35 p.m. Just 7:35 p.m. at
Okay.
night. But your country,
Okay.
what time is it now in your country? What time? 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Especially, what kinds of food do you like to eat most of the time in Kazakhstan? Kazakh? What kinds of food do you like to eat? Fish, right?
Yes.
Fish or rice?
Bishparmak.
Oh, okay. But I like or we like to eat fish and rice. Our main staple food, fish and rice. And sometimes we
Yes. Fish and
right.
rice.
And sometimes
Yes.
we eat vegetables. Different kinds of vegetables we like to eat. Really? How many brothers and sisters? How many brothers and sisters do you have? Brothers and sisters or siblings? Okay.
Yes.
Actually, I don't like to hear.
Okay.
I don't like to hear. Just I like to talk in this platform with different topics. Basically, are you married or single? Are you married or single right now?
Oh, I'm single.
Are you single too? Yeah, also me. I am single too.
Yes.
Actually, how old are you? How old are you?
44.
What?
44.
44. Your age 44. But in this situation, why don't you marry someone? But why? Why don't you marry?
Huh?
Why?
I don't know.
Have you intimate friends. Have you any intimate friends or close friend of our country Bangladesh? Do you have any intimate friends?